Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification so you are notified of when we upload new video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. But one of the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. Alright, so basically, to make her jealous, really, man up. Man up. And by man up, I actually mean react like a man. To react like a man, you got to understand how to be a man. Yeah? So, this is what you need to do. Click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Akibulan Trust. When you do that, you will get access to online courses, yeah, such as roles and relationships. And that's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a pure thoroughbred alpha male so you can actually man up and react like a man. Yeah? Because by me telling you, oh, if you do this or you do that, that's just playing games, yeah, you could deploy those tactics here and there, but then what next? Like literally, what next? But if you are yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male, and she just so happens to get jealous, Do you get it? But then what? What do you do with that when she gets jealous? What next? Do you get it? But when you are a thoroughbred alpha male, you will know exactly what to do next if she gets jealous. You will know what to do. You will know how to move. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss on the videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.